Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 2 of chapter number 1, ratio and proportion indices logarithms. So let's continue with the question number 17 of additional questions. Okay. So, question number 17 is the value of z is given by the following if z raised to z under root z is equal to in the bracket z under root z raised to z. So, here z z z raised to z under root z is equal to z under root z raised to z. So here we can write z instead of under root z we can write 1 by 2 is equal to z into z raised to 1 by 2 raised to z. So z raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to z 1 plus 1 by 2 z. So z raised to z 3 by 2 is equal to z raised to 3 by 2 z. Here z base same, so power equal z raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 z. So we can write z into z raised to 1 by 2 3 by 2 z. Z cancel, so z raised to 1 half is equal to 3 by 2. So take square both the side, so z is equal to 3 by 2 square is equal to 9 by 4. 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So option D is the right answer, 9 by 4. Okay. Now move to the question number 18. So here 1 upon x raised to b plus x raised to minus c plus 1 plus 1 upon x raised to c plus x raised to minus a plus 1 plus 1 upon x raised to a plus x raised to minus b plus 1 would reduce is to 1. So here 1 upon plus 1 upon, here we can write 1 upon plus 1 upon plus 1 upon is equal to total is 1. Okay. So here we can write 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1, or 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that becomes 3. Okay. So we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here x raised to b is equal to 1. But when x raised to b is equal to 1, it becomes when x raised to 0. X raised to 0. So base same, so b is equal to 0. Same way for x raised to c is equal to 1. So x raised to c is equal to x raised to 0. So base same c is equal to 0. Same for x raised to a is equal to 1. X raised to a is equal to x raised to 0. So a is equal to 0. Okay. So here we have to find if a plus b plus c is given by a plus b plus c. Put the value of a plus b plus c, a, b and c. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So option B is the right answer, 0. Okay. Understood it or not? Okay. Let's see next example question. Next question is equal to here plus sign between them. Okay. So z raised to b, z raised to c upon z raised to b plus z raised to b is here. So multiply with z raised to c, z raised to a into z raised to c plus z raised to a, z raised to b plus 1 upon z raised to c, z raised to a, or here we can directly write z raised to c, z raised to a plus z raised to b into z raised to a plus z raised to b into z raised to c plus 1 upon or z upon a, z upon a, z raised to a, z raised to b, z raised to a, z raised to b plus z raised to c, z raised to b plus z raised to c, z raised to a. So here z raised to first is b into z raised to c. So z raised to b plus c upon, you can write z raised to b plus c plus z raised to c plus a plus z raised to a plus b plus z raised to c plus a upon z raised to c plus a plus z raised to a plus b plus z raised to b plus c plus z raised to a plus b upon z raised to a plus b plus z raised to b plus c plus z raised to c plus a. So you can write z raised to LCM is same, b plus c plus z raised to c plus a plus z raised to a plus b upon z raised to a plus b, z raised to b plus c plus z raised to c plus a. So here we can arrange this z raised to a plus b, z raised to b plus c plus z raised to c plus a upon z raised to a plus b plus z raised to b plus c plus z raised to c plus a. Both cancel, so is equal to 1. So option C is the right answer, 1. Okay, of question number 19. Now move to the question number 20. If 5.678 raised to x is equal to 0.5678 raised to y is equal to 10 raised to z, then so here you can take 5.678 raised to x is equal to k. 0.5678 raised to y is equal to k. 10 raised to z is equal to k. So 5.678 is equal to k raised to 1 by x. 0.5678 is equal to k raised to 1 by y. 10 is equal to k raised to 1 by z. So here 5.678 is equal to 0.5678 multiply with 10. If we multiply 0.5678 into if we multiply 5.678 is equal to multiply with 0.5678 to 10. So we will get 5.678. Okay. Now put the value k raised to 1 by x is equal to k raised to 1 by y, k raised to 1 by z. So k raised to 1 by x is equal to k raised to 1 by y plus 1 upon z. So here base same, k same. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon y plus 1 upon z. Okay. So it becomes 1 by x minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z is equal to 0. So option B is the right answer of question number 20. Okay. Now question number 21. If x is equal to 4 raised to 1 by 3 plus 4 raised to minus 1 by 3, prove that 4x cube minus 12x is given by. Here x is equal to 4 raised to 1 by 3 plus 4 raised to minus 1 by 3 given. Prove that 4x cube minus 12x is given by. So 4x cube minus 12x, or here you can write 4 4 raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 4 cube. So here 4 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 4 raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Or here we consider 4 1 by 3, 4 raised to 1 by 3 is equal to a plus 1 upon a. Okay. So 4 common x cube minus 3x. So here first you have to take cube of x. So 4 1 by 3 plus 4 raised to minus 1 by 3 cube, a plus b cube. So x cube is equal to 4 raised to 1 by 3 cube a cube plus b cube, 4 raised to minus 1 by 3 cube minus 3ab, 4 raised to 1 by 3 into 4 raised to minus 1 by 3 plus not minus, a plus b, 3 into a plus b, a cube plus b cube minus 3 into a plus b. So here 4 raised to 1 by 3 cube, it becomes 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1, it means 1 by 4 minus 3, 4 raised to 1 by 3 plus 4 raised to minus 1 by 3, it becomes x. So 4 raised to 1 by 3 here. Okay. So here we can write x cube minus 3x is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So the form is a plus 1 upon a form. Okay. So here 4 x cube minus 3x. So here we can write 4 plus 1 by 4. So 4 into 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. 4 4 cancel is equal to 17. So here directly you can remember, if x is equal to a 1 by 3 plus a raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay. At that time x cube minus 3x is equal to a plus 1 upon a. Okay. Next question, question number 22. If x is equal to 5 raised to 1 by 3 plus 5 raised to 1 by 3, 5x cube minus 15x. Okay. So here x is equal to, so first we have to find out x cube. So 5 raised to 1 by 3 plus 5 raised to minus 1 by 3 cube. So x cube, a cube, 5 1 by 3 cube plus b cube, 5 minus 1 by 3 cube minus 3 into a plus b, 5 1 by 5 raised to 1 by 3, 5 raised to minus 1 by 3. So 5 raised to 1 by 3, 3, 3 3 cancel, 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 3 x, this represent the x. So x cube minus 3x is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 5. Or you can write 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. Okay. 5 common, x cube minus 3x, because we have already same equation, x cube minus 3x, or the answer is 26 by 5. So we can put into this 26 by 5. 5 5 cancel is equal to 26. So here the option B is the right answer of question number 22. Okay. Now question number 23. If ax raised to 2 by 3 plus bx raised to 1 by 3 plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a cube x square plus b cube x plus c cube is given by, remember we have the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Okay. Or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay. So if we take cube of this, ax 2 by 3 cube, so we will get a cube into 3 3 cut x square. So this a cube into x square we get. Okay. Same way bx 1 by 3 raised to 1 by 3 cube is equal to b cube x 1 by 3 3 3, 3 cut, so b cube x. So same we will get for this also. C cube is equal to c cube. Okay. So this is the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay. So instead of a here ax. Okay. Instead of a here ax. So 3abc, it means here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, but in the formula we have a cube x square plus b cube x and plus c cube. Okay, so put this formula into this 3a. A is ax 2 by 3, ax 2 by 3. B is bx 1 by 3 and c is c. Okay, so 3ab x raised to 2 by 3 x raised to 1 by 3 c. So here we can write 3abc x raised to 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3abcx. 3 by 3 it becomes 1, so 3abcx. So option A is the right answer of question number 23. Now next question, if a raised to p is equal to b, b raised to q is equal to c, c raised to r is equal to a, then the value of p q r is given by. So here a raised to p is equal to b, c raised to q is equal to c, c raised to r is equal to a is given. So in the formula c raised to r is equal to, or a raised to p is equal to b, put the value. So a value of a is c raised to r, put into this, c raised to r raised to p is equal to b. So c raised to rp is equal to b. C, value of c is b raised to q. So b raised to q rp is equal to b. So b raised to p q r is equal to b raised to 1. So p base same, b same, p q r is equal to 1. So option B is the right answer of question number 24. Okay, now move to the next question, question number 25. If a raised to p is equal to b raised to q is equal to c raised to r and b square is equal to ac given, the value of q into p plus r upon pr is given by. So put this value into this, but first we consider a raised to p is equal to k. So a is equal to k raised to 1 by p. Same way b raised to q is equal to k. So b is equal to k raised to 1 by q. So c raised to r is equal to k. So c is equal to k raised to 1 by r. B is equal to k raised to 1 by q. A is equal to k raised to 1 by p. So put first, second and third value into b square is equal to ac. So instead of b, write k raised to 1 by q square is equal to a, k raised to 1 by p, c is k raised to 1 by r. So k 2 by q is equal to k raised to 1 by p plus 1 upon r. So base same, 2 by q 1 upon p plus 1 upon r. So 2 by q is equal to p plus r pr. So here we require the q into p plus r upon pr. So multiply q with this, 2 is equal to q into p plus r upon pr. So we will get the 2 is equal to 2. So option C, 2 is the right answer of this question number 25. Next question, question number 26. On simplification, x raised to a upon a minus b upon x raised to a upon a plus b divide x raised to b upon b minus a upon x raised to b upon b plus a whole bracket complete a plus b. Okay, so first solve the x raised to a upon a minus b upon x raised to a upon a plus b. Here divide sign, so it becomes multiply if numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So x raised to b upon b plus a upon x raised to b upon b minus a raised to a plus b is equal to x raised to a upon a minus b multiply with a plus b upon x raised to a upon a plus b, a upon a plus b multiply with a plus b into x raised to b upon b plus a multiply with a plus b upon x raised to b upon b minus a, b upon b minus a plus b. A plus b cancel, same way a plus b cancel. So here x a plus b upon a minus b, here x raised to a, so we can take minus a into so x raised to b, again base same, plus b, or here minus b upon b minus a plus b. Okay, so x raised to a plus b, a minus b minus a minus b plus b, a minus b. Here b minus a becomes a minus b if we change the sign, minus minus plus b upon a minus b a plus b. So x raised to a into a square plus ab minus a square minus minus plus ab plus ab minus b square plus ab plus b square upon a minus b. So a square minus a square minus b square plus b square cancel. So ab plus ab, 2ab plus 3ab plus 4ab upon a minus b. So x raised to 4ab x raised to 4ab upon a minus b. So now check the options. So option D is the answer, none. Okay, none of these. Option D is the answer of question number 26. Now move to the next question, 27. Question number 27. On simplification, x raised to ab upon a square plus b square bracket complete a plus b into x raised to b square plus c square upon x raised to b c bracket complete b plus c into x raised to c a upon x raised to c square plus a square bracket complete raised to c plus a. Now first xx base same, so you can write ab minus a square minus b square into a plus b into x raised to b square plus c square minus bc into b plus c into x raised to ca minus c square minus a square into c plus a. So solve it. X ab into a square b, ab square minus a cube minus a square b minus b square a minus b cube. So a square b minus a square b, ab square minus b square a minus a cube minus b cube into x b square b cube plus b square c plus c square b plus c cube minus b square c minus bc square. So here plus bc square minus b square c cancel, c square b minus bc square cancel, so it becomes b cube plus c cube into x raised to ca into c square a plus ca square minus c cube minus c square a minus a square c minus a cube. Okay, plus c square a minus c square a cancel, plus ca square minus a square c cancel. So x raised to minus a cube minus b cube minus plus b cube plus c cube minus c cube minus a cube. So minus a cube minus b cube plus b cube plus c cube minus c cube cancel. So remaining is x raised to minus 2a cube, x raised to minus 2a cube. So option A is the right answer of question number 27. Now question number 28 on simplification. So here we have to simplify it. X raised to ab upon x raised to a square plus b square whole bracket a plus b, same way x raised to bc upon x raised to b square plus c square b plus c into x raised to c upon x raised to c square plus a square bracket complete c plus a. So here same way like previous example, ab minus a square minus b square a plus b into x raised to bc minus b square minus c square b plus c into x raised to ca minus c square minus a square c plus a. So x ab into a square b, ab into b plus ab square minus a cube minus a square b minus b square a minus b cube into x bc b square c plus bc square minus b cube minus b square c minus c square b minus c cube into x raised to c square a minus ca square minus c cube plus ac square minus a square c minus a cube. Okay, here plus sign. Okay, so CAC, c square a, ca into a plus ca square minus c cube plus ac square minus a square c minus a cube. Okay, so c square a not cancel here. Okay, a square c minus a square c cancel, ab square minus ab square, a square b minus a square b cancel, minus plus minus, this becomes minus. Okay, so cancel. Here the sign of minus, because minus plus minus, minus c square. Okay, minus a c square plus c square cancel, bc square minus bc square minus b square c plus b square c cancel. So the remaining is x raised to minus a cube minus b cube minus b cube minus c cube minus c cube minus a cube. Okay, so x raised to minus 2a cube minus 2b cube minus 2c cube is equal to x minus 2 common, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So option C is the right answer of question number 28. Now next question, question number 29. On simplification, m raised to x upon m raised to y raised to x plus y into m raised to y upon m raised to z raised to y plus z divided by 3 into m raised to x m raised to z raised to x minus z. M reduces to. So here we have to solve this. Okay, so m raised to x, so it becomes m raised to x minus y, because m raised to y go to the numerator, so it becomes minus. So m raised to x minus y, x plus y into m raised to y minus z raised to y plus z divided by 3 m raised to x plus z x minus z. So here m raised to x square minus y square we can write into m raised to y square minus z square divided by 3 m raised to x square minus z square. Here again base same, so we can write x square minus y square plus y square minus z square divided by 3 m raised to x square minus z square. Minus y square plus y square cancel. So m raised to x square minus z square divided by 3 m raised to x square minus z square. So we can write as m raised to x square minus z square divided by 3 m raised to x square minus z square. So cancel is equal to 1 by 3. So the answer is option D, 1 by 3. Question number 29 of right answer is D. Now, next question, question number 30. The value of 1 upon 1 plus a raised to y minus x plus 1 upon 1 plus a raised to x minus y is given by. So, 1 upon 1 plus a raised to y upon a raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus a raised to x upon a raised to y. So, here a raised to x upon a raised to x plus a raised to y plus 1 upon a raised to y plus a raised to x, denominator becomes numerator a raised to y. So a raised to x plus a raised to y, because LCM same, denominator same, a raised to x plus a raised to y cancel, so is equal to 1. So option C is the right. So this lecture is over here. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.